You can easily connect databases updating in real time to Snowflake using Estuary, allowing your team to take advantage of real-time data movement for analytics. Here we have a Postgres database that contains customer data that is updating in real time. We can query the table and see our record count is increasing. Using Estuary, we can establish real-time data movement from this Postgres database to any analytical database like Snowflake. Let's see how to do this. Within Estuary, we will need to create a new capture within the Sources section and connect to our Postgres database, as this is the database we are capturing data from. We're running this Postgres database on AWS RDS, so we'll search for that connector, but could easily connect to hundreds of other connectors that Estuary supports. Once we select our connector, we can simply fill in the configuration parameters for the connection. Estuary clearly documents any requirements and prerequisites for each connector you use, making it easy to get up and running with even the most complex sources. With your connector configured, you can select Next to test your configuration. Once successful, you'll be able to configure target collections from connector. A collection is a real-time data lake of JSON documents that can be loaded into any supported destination. In this case, I'll choose my customer table from my source to be included within my collection. Once this is complete, we can save and publish this source, and the collection will be added to the Collections area of Estuary. We can view all of the collections within our account here, or create a new transformation on any collection. Now that we have a collection, we can easily move this data in real time to our analytics database, Snowflake. Within the Destination section of Estuary, we will select New Materialization to materialize our data in a destination of our choice, in this case, Snowflake. Once we configure the Snowflake connection parameters, we can select the collection or collections we want to ingest into Snowflake, and then save and publish. And just like that, we have real-time data ingestion from source to Snowflake up and running in a matter of minutes. We can even test that this is working by manually loading a new record into our source system, Postgres, and immediately seeing it materialize within Snowflake. To learn more about how Estuary can solve your real-time data needs, visit estuary.dev or view documentation at docs.estuary.dev.